is 100 Feet Road in Nnewi, Anambra State, one of the very busiest and most important roads in the entire southeast of Nigeria. But more than just a road, the place is a living, breathing market, a thriving extension of the legendary Nnewi Market, right at the heart of Nnewi's automobile trade. From motorcycles to industrial engines, gearboxes, chains, crankshafts, carburetors, you name it. Anything you want, you'll find it here. Buyers from all over Nigeria, Kano, Port Harcourt, Lagos, Maiduguri, Abuja, and even from beyond our borders, Ghana, Togo, Benin, Niger, and more. Nnewi is not just trading, it's exporting parts and service across the continent. But here's the question, one that keeps coming up the more you observe this market or come across this market. If we can dismantle, decode, and sell every part of these foreign motorcycles and engines, why are we not building just yet? It's 2025, we have the skill, we have the tools, we even have the market. So why are we still importing Tokumbo parts from China, Japan, India, Europe, you name it? Look at this particular video. These traders and mechanics can decouple engines blindfolded, identify faults with their ears and match parts faster than some engines in labs. We've got people here who have been doing this for 20 to 30 years. Imagine what they could build if only we had a proper local assembly initiative or even government-supported machine shops with the right tech and tools. This is not just Nnewi's story, it's an Igbo story, an African story. We say Igbo Amaka, and truly, the Igbo spirit of innovation, enterprise, and tenacity is unmatched. But isn't it time we started thinking beyond buying and selling? Isn't it time we started replicating what we import? It doesn't have to be perfect. Great things always start small, right? One mold for a gear, one cast for a piston, one locally sourced alloy, one collaboration between the old traders and young engineers. That's how we start. That's how a real automobile industry is born. The world is moving so fast and we can't afford to just be consumers anymore. Imagine a future where made in Nnewi is not just a label on packaging but a brand, stamped on engines, motorcycles, and machines sold across Africa. It will be great. So maybe the real question is, when will we stop importing and start inventing? Let us know in the comments what you think. Do you believe the Southeast is ready for real manufacturing? What's stopping us? What are the factors stopping us? Let's talk about it in the comments.
Viens,